Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Id.4 77KWH 204B horsepower business in stunning blue. With just 59874 kilometers, this electric vehicle offers a luxurious driving experience, packed with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, and more. Your comfort and safety are ensured. Security features include ABS, lane departure warning, collision avoidance braking, and more for your peace of mind. Stylish details like roof rails and spoilers make this car stand out. With a full multi-point health check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer standards, you can drive with confidence. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this premium vehicle. Drive in style and luxury today.